Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a great week. So for your PSHE lesson this week, we're going to be using a video from last year. So because it's a video from last year, the date is wrong. So don't copy down the date from the video, but please copy down this date now. So today's date is Thursday, the 25th of February 2021. You can pause the video while you do that. You can write the title from the lesson. The title is still the same. And I will pop back on to this video after the lesson to explain what you should do with your work. So I hope you enjoy. First of all, you'll need to write the long date on the top line of your page. The date today is Monday, the 18th of May 2020, and underneath that, please may you also write the title, which is Talking About the Future. You can pause the video while you do that. So first, I want to think about star qualities. We are all unique and there are lots of things we are good at which make us special. What kinds of things could be star qualities? So I'll give you a quick example. I think being kind is a star quality, so kindness is a star quality. What kinds of things do you think of which could be star qualities? Can you pause the video here and tell your adult your ideas? So I'm sure you came up with lots of things. I'll just give you some examples that I've thought of. Being funny, being generous, being honest, being friendly, being supportive, being respectful, being fair, and being positive. So those are just some ideas. I'm sure you had a lot more that were all along those lines too, so well done. So with those star qualities in mind, what are your star qualities? I want you to think of at least 3 star qualities that you have. I know that everybody in year 1 has a lot more than 3 star qualities, so if you can think of more, pause the video here and tell your adult what your star qualities are. Well done. So now we're going to think about a positive learning attitude. Being positive means focusing on the good things and always being hopeful. Having a positive attitude means you always look for the good in any kind of situation and you ignore the things that might be negative. So with this in mind, what does positive learning attitude look like? So these people on the screen all have a positive learning attitude. So let's see what they have to say about their learning. I want to try my best with this learning task. If I keep trying, I will improve. By learning from mistakes, I can get better. This is a new challenge for me and I like learning new things. I can't do this yet, but I will. So these are all positive thoughts about learning. So even if something is challenging, you can try your best and I'm sure you will achieve. So what learning do you enjoy most? There are some things that different people find easier or more difficult than others, and that's okay. Can you pause the video here and think about what learning you really enjoy doing, or what learning you don't enjoy as much, or what you find difficult or something like that? Pause the video and have a think. Is the learning you enjoy most also what you find easier to do? Sometimes we enjoy things less if we find them more challenging. If we use our positive learning attitude, we can do well with those tasks too. So maybe you really enjoy maths, so you said that you loved maths the most and it was the easiest for you to do. And maybe you find reading a little bit harder, so you don't like it as much. But if you have a positive learning attitude, you can practice your reading, you can improve with it, and soon you'll love all of your learning just as much. So try and stay positive as much as you can. Now, thinking about jobs, what kind of jobs are there? People do different kinds of jobs, which is really exciting. How many different jobs can you think of? Can you pause the video here and discuss with your adult whatever kind of jobs you can think of? So there are loads and loads and loads of different kinds of jobs. I'm just going to show you a handful of examples on the screen. A firefighter, a paramedic, a musician, a doctor, a waiter or a waitress, a lifeguard, or a police officer. So maybe you came up with some of the same ideas as me, or I'm sure you had lots of your own ideas as well, so well done. So Timmy the Turtle's asking, what do you want to be when you grow up? I've come up with some questions to help you answer Timmy the Turtle, because that's quite a big question. What are you interested in? What do you like doing? Think about the favourite subjects that you thought about before. What are you good at? Think about the star qualities that we thought of. And what would you like to be when you grow up, and why? So Timmy the Turtle seems very interested in wanting to know what you want to do in the future. So can you answer these 4 questions in your books so you can think about what do you want to be when you grow up? You can pause the video while you do that. So also there is a describing game you can play. So you can find these cards on the website, or you can make them yourself at home. And all you need to do is share the cards between the players, however many players that you're playing with, and take turns to describe the jobs that are shown on the cards so that the other players can guess from your description. Remember to keep your cards hidden from the other players. So if you like to, you can find these cards on the school website, or you can make them yourself, and it's a really fun game to play. If you do play it, take some pictures, send them to the Year 1 email address because we'd love to see them. Well done everybody, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. So just like you've been doing with all of your other work this term, please take a photo of your writing and submit it onto the assignment in your Google Classroom, just like for every other subject. If you'd like to play the describing card game, you can print the cards that will be linked to your assignment as well, or if you don't have a printer, you can make your own cards, and you can submit some pictures of you playing that game too if you'd like your teacher to see. I hope all of that is clear. If you have any questions, you can email the Year 1 email address, and I hope you had fun. Bye bye.